Hey guys, this next video is an all-night challenge that was voted for on my Facebook page, a mirror page to this channel right here on YouTube. Now, if you haven't seen it already, why don't you go ahead and click the link below. You know, it'll take you straight to it. Why don't you check it out? It's got good content. Now, this video was done at the abandoned lace factory. I stayed all night capturing as much as I could. So, without further ado, let's roll this clip.
Oh man, this is such a beautiful view. Alright guys, I am out here exploring around an abandoned factory, and I just wanted to show you guys this amazing view right here. Now, y'all asked me on Facebook because I gave a poll. Y'all voted for an all-night challenge. You're gonna get one. Oh man, this guy's not looking too happy. I'm gonna walk around the outside just a little bit, wait for it to get a little bit darker, and then I'm gonna try and find a way in. This place was built in the early 1800s, flourished up and through the 1950s, and around the 2000s, around 2002 I think, they came in and told the employees that they were laid off effective immediately, that the place was getting shut down. So not much has happened here since until about 2019. About 2019, they wanted to do construction on this place, and when the pandemic happened, it was left abandoned. Now, they do have a main office somewhere on this facility. Ooh. I am glad I brought a mask. Whew. Alright guys, I just got some more information on this place. Apparently they were doing construction on it a few months ago, but just out of nowhere they just up and stopped and bolted. Why would they just up and leave? They left all the equipment here, stopped everything, and just left. Picked up their equipment and just walked. Left everything else. We'll see if we can find out something tonight. Alright guys, so I'm not quite yet in the building, but I did come across this area right here. Let me check. Oh no. I'm going back the other way. Oh, shoot. I about fell on that one. Got some kids over here being goofy. Oh. Walk up and see if maybe they know something about the building. Maybe they know how to get in. Yeah, cool people. Didn't have much information. They told me that, though, that I should try in around 8, sneak in. There's literally nobody here, so I just gotta watch out for Mr. Coppers. Alright guys, I'm in. I don't want to get caught out here, so I'm gonna try out this building right here. Whew. It's quite watery right there. Climb over the bricks a little bit. Oh, there's the steps. There's a little picnic table right here too. Let's go check this room out. I think this is where I may set up. Well, that's not nice. Floor painting's coming up. Not quite sure what this was. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and set my stuff up here. This place is gonna be echo. Sorry about the shakiness, guys. A little nervous. Hoping nothing happens. Guys, I've got all my stuff set aside and set up so it's safe. Just in case anybody comes in, they won't spot it right off the rip. It's not in plain sight. So I'm about to head up to the 3rd floor, which is where the bridge is that leads into the next building. Alright guys, let's go. Buildings like these, factories, you know, people work all their lives, you know, working in these places, doing stuff. For these people, it was making lace. My brother called it the lingerie factory earlier. So, this is the 3rd floor right here. Anyways, yeah, people would get injured in these places. I'm sure that, you know, the owner of this building, you know, the boss, he took care of his employees, from what I've heard in other videos and stuff like that. But you can't always help if somebody gets injured. And places like these, somebody's always getting hurt. Sometimes very badly. Ramp here. It goes off into the next building over. And here's the hallway. It's like the door's closed that way. And down we go. Whoa, be careful right here. Oh, I gotta be very careful in here. This floor, it's very, very soft. So, a little island right there. There's the door, I guess, that leads up. It's just like another elevator shaft. Oh, definitely want to be careful. It's got a little stairway going up that way. Creaky a little bit. Well, I got out of that second building, and that's when I realized my camera froze. It didn't stop recording, it froze. So I'm already on the way back up to the second floor to my equipment. Oh. Alright guys, sorry about that one edit. It wasn't really an edit. My camera messed up. I don't know why, it's brand new. I don't know, I'll find out later. I just heard somebody talking outside. Oh man, this place has got me spooked already.
Alright guys, I just called my cousin. This is my first time doing an all-nighter, so I called my cousin to see if they wanted to join. They're going to eat real quick and see where they're like feeling from there. But they sound really, my cousin sounded really excited, so they may join us on this adventure. Alright guys, I'll let you know something as soon as I do.
I just met up with them. They're gonna go find a place to park so Jason can sit. Yo, it's finally good to have somebody on this adventure with me, man. Thank you so much. Oh man, everybody, my cousin, you remember her? Oh, she's gonna do this all night with me. So now that she's here, we're actually gonna do some real adventuring.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It is a part 1 of 2 because I had to call in my cousin to come help me a little bit, take some video. Now the next video will be out very shortly. So until then guys, sit back, relax, enjoy the small things in life.